Hey guys, let me show you something. Come with me. So as you see, this is my channel. This is my very popular videos, and my most popular videos have between 500 and 800 views, and boom, this video have 3.6 thousand views, and it's just 2 months old. Those videos, some of them are much older, like 5 months. So what's different about this video? First, let me show you what this video is about. So as you can see, I just explained how to change background color on the mobile device of your channel. Let me show you the end. I'm showing you the new color. This one's the old color and this is the new color. So what's different about this video that made it so successful? Let's go to my channel analytics and let's explore together. The video is the blue line, and here about the end of January 21, YouTube start picking up this video, and it picks it up and more, and it is just going farther and farther from my other videos. And most of my videos have between 4 and 11 views a day, but this video just got between 80 and 100 views each and every day. And the big question is why? What's different about this video that made YouTube pick this video and not the rest? And this is a very important question because this will give us an answer. How can I optimize my other videos to perform well and good like as this one? So if we go to this video, you will see that watch time it brings me is 53 watch hours and 17 subscribers, and also my click-through rate is high. So let me take you to this video to just show you that there are a few things that predicts that this video will do well. First of all, most of my traffic coming from YouTube search, and this is important. Why? Because that means that my keywords and my metadata are well optimized to hit YouTube search algorithm, and 86.5% of my traffic comes from YouTube search. This is very important because when we're just starting and we don't have many subscribers, and it's really hard for us to break through the noise, and it's hard for us to break through the bigger channels and that has many videos and views and subscribers. So we have to optimize our videos the best way to get ranked on YouTube search. So this video did well with that, and as you can see, every day it's getting better and better. 185 views in the last 48 hours, which is really great for completely beginner. My channel is just 5 months old, and let me show you something that is really maybe will help you to optimize your video. First of all, we see that the audience retention is not very well, but you will see that the click-through rate, if you're going to reach and you see impressions click-through rate is relatively high. 16.4% is really nice click-through rate. And if you don't know click-through rate, it just means that 16.4% of the people who saw my video clicked on it. So you can see here when you scroll down, this is the amount of impressions. Impressions is just how many times my video was shown to people. And then from this number, I got 3.1k views from those impressions, which is 16.4%. And then from this 3.1k views, I got 67.8 watch hours. So maybe this is the reason that my video performing so well. This is my highest click-through rate from all the thumbnails I made. The second thing I want to say is the video getting 79.2% traffic from YouTube search. And here if you scroll down, we also can see it's getting nice amount of Google search, which is also very important. While you're optimizing your keywords for YouTube search, you want to make sure that some of the keywords may appear in the Google search. It will help you to rank higher, because Google do show YouTube videos on their search sometimes. Also, you can see what keywords your video ranking for, and maybe it will give you some ideas. And the main thing that I want to tell you, all this very nice, and it may explain why this video is successful, but I will tell you something. I optimize all my videos. Since I started this channel, I optimize every video I publish to rank higher for the best keywords I found, and still this video overperformed. And if you ask me what the main thing that differs this video from the rest, is the story of this video. What happened is that I didn't plan to make this video. I didn't like the color of my channel on my mobile, and then I started searching online for video that will explain me how can I change it, because I saw other people have different colors. First of all, I found just few videos, and some of them were old. And second of all, the videos didn't really help me. I decided I'm gonna learn anyway how to do that. So with trial and error, finally I made it, and I changed my background. And then after I changed my background, I say, why wouldn't I do video about it? Maybe there's some demand, but it's definitely not enough supply. So I just made a video. And in the beginning, as all of my videos, by the way, it was silence, you see. And then it started picking up, but not really like, wow, just few views every day. And in the end of January, something happened. This video started performing really well. And then finally, I got the most views on my channel and the most watch hours from this very video. So in my opinion, optimized metadata, keywords, also good, targeted, interesting thumbnail that made people really click on it. 16.4% is considered pretty high, made this video to be successful. But the most important thing, in my opinion, is the demand and supply thing. So how can we improve our videos based on this information? You have to search. My thing with this video was very accidental. I didn't plan on making this video, and even when I made this video, I didn't think it's gonna be very successful. But because I didn't find good videos on this topic, I actually could understand that there are not so much supply on this topic. I know for sure there's not enough supply, but I didn't know there's so much demand, and eventually there is. My suggestion to you, optimize each and every video to rank in YouTube search, in Google search. Do your research, check your keywords, but don't stress too much over it. Just try to optimize it as best as you can. And if you see an opportunity that you search for a topic and you didn't find good videos that can help you with, or the videos that you found are like 3 or 4 years old, this is definitely something that you should check and maybe make a video about this topic. Because just maybe, I'm saying just maybe, this will be the next video to blow your channel. And this is all about one video that will make this big exposure, that will bring people to your channel. And the most important thing, when you have this video, and it's not if, it's when, because one of your videos will explode eventually. Just keep on going. And when your video will explode and bring those people from YouTube search to your channel, make sure that your channel have good content to keep your viewers inside your channel, binge watching your videos, and then subscribing to your channel for more content. Make sure your channel will be compelling, and this will help you to get more views, more watch time, and more subscribers. So this is my recommendation. I'm not an expert, and this is just my observation of this video. I hope it will help you to find your next viral video. So as you can see, you're just one video away from your success. And I'm not saying I'm very successful, but I'm saying that you never know what video will take you up and what video just let you continue. So that's why always stay consistent, continue with your work, continue with your creation, and you will get there eventually. And I hope I will get there eventually too, as fast as I can. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was inspiring for some of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, creator.